We're on the Tennessee River, downstream. Mile marker 78.5. We can see this makeshift car ferry, which is actually a very small push boat with a barge with a car ramp. You can see he's got the flag or the burgee on the port bow of the car barge, showing him the windage as he comes around behind this island to our left. And he's going across the river where there used to be a railroad bridge, the L&N Louisville and Nashville Railroad Bridge. And you can see it coming up there. The bridge has been knocked down, I don't know by natural events or on purpose, but the railroad bridge is no longer an obstacle for any boat traffic, and that's all that's left of the railroad bridge. Two spans, a strange structure in the far distance, and now coming back to my right, you can see the car ferry heading across the river. If you have questions about bridges across water, drawbridges, or ferry boats, ask Captain Chris.